Hello everyone, welcome to this series on important facts about the life and works of some important writers. And in this video, we are going to discuss Nirad C. Chaudhuri. Introduction. Nirad C. Chaudhuri was born on November 23, 1897 in Kishanganj, Bengal, now Bangladesh. Raised in a middle class family, Chaudhuri's early life was deeply influenced by both Western and Indian literature and culture. He completed his undergraduate education with a degree in history from Calcutta University in 1918. Although he pursued a master's degree, he was unsuccessful in completing it, which limited his opportunities in academia. Despite these setbacks, Chaudhuri's intellectual curiosity and dedication to learning were evident from a young age, leading him to master several European languages, including French, German, and Latin. Career beginnings and struggles. Chaudhuri's earlier career was marked by a struggle for recognition and financial stability. He worked as a freelance journalist and held various temporary positions, including serving as a secretary to Sarath Chandra Bose, a prominent political figure in Bengal and the brother of Subhash Chandra Bose. Chaudhuri's dissatisfaction with the provincialism of Bengali society led him to move to Delhi, where he took up a position with All India Radio in 1941. However, despite his professional engagements, Chaudhuri remained financially strained, a situation exacerbated by his love for art, books, and fine living. The autobiography of an unknown Indian. Chaudhuri gained fame with the publication of his first major work, The Autobiography of an Unknown Indian, 1951. The book is a blend of personal memoir and historical commentary, offering a vivid portrayal of life in colonial Bengal. However, the book's dedication to the British Empire, which Chaudhuri credited with shaping the modern Indian identity, sparked controversy in newly independent India. Despite, or perhaps because of this controversy, the book was widely recognized for its literary merit and Chaudhuri's mastery of the English language. Life in England and later works. In 1955, Chaudhuri visited England for the first time, a journey that he chronicled in his second book, A Passage to England, 1959. This travelogue was well received in both England and India, marking a departure from the controversy of his earlier work. In 1970, Chaudhuri moved to England permanently, settling in Oxford. He continued to write prolifically, producing works such as The Continent of Sirs, 1966, which offered a critical analysis of Indian society and its cultural evolution. His later works, including Scholar Extraordinary, 1974, and Clive of India, 1975, further established his reputation as a scholar of British and Indian history. Controversies and intellectual legacy. Throughout his life, Chaudhuri was often at odds with mainstream Indian thought. His critical stance towards Indian nationalism and his admiration for British culture led to his marginalization in India. He was labeled as the last British loyalist and accused of being out of touch with the realities of post-colonial India. However, Chaudhuri maintained that his criticisms were rooted in a desire to see India embrace the best of both Eastern and Western traditions. Recognition and honors. Despite the controversies, Chaudhuri's contributions to literature and history were eventually recognized. He received several awards, including the Sahitya Akademi Award for his biography of Max Muller, Scholar Extraordinary. In 1989, he was honored with an honorary Doctor of Letters from Oxford University, and in 1992, Elizabeth II conferred upon him the title of Honorary Commander of the most excellent order of the British Empire. Final years and legacy. Chaudhuri continued to write well into his later years, with his last book, Three Horsemen of the New Apocalypse 1997, published when he was 99 years old. This work reflected his ongoing concerns about the decline of both Indian and Western civilizations. Chaudhuri passed away in 1999 at the age of 102 in Oxford. His legacy, though complex and often contentious, remained that of a sharp intellect who straddled multiple cultures and eras, offering a unique perspective on the intersections of East and West. Conclusion. Nirad C. Chaudhuri's life and work are a testament to the power of intellectual curiosity and the complexities of cultural identity. His writings, deeply rooted in both Indian and Western traditions, continue to provoke thought and debate, making him one of the most fascinating literary figures of the 20th century. So this was the discussion on the life and works of Nirad C. Chaudhuri. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other author. Until then, goodbye and thank you.